Good morning, dear students. God bless you. Welcome to maths class. Today we are discuss the exercise 1.1 eighth sum. Verify that minus of minus x is the same x for the given question. Minus of minus x multiply 2 times of minus, we get the same result. For example, this is a question x is equal to 11 by 15. First question, this is for x. So first is the solution. Given x is equal to 11 by 15. Next we find the minus x, because minus of minus x is the same as x. Minus x, so minus 11 by 15. Now we get minus 11 by 15 because minus x. Okay, once again you might make the multiplication minus of minus x, which is equal to minus of minus 11 by 15. Have you understood this? Next, minus of minus x equal to minus into minus plus 11 by 15. Okay, this is equal to what? X. Minus of minus x, which is equal to x now we get. So hence verify the answer. Okay. Then the second question, x is equal to minus 31 by 45. So minus x equal to minus x is this minus 31 by 45. This is okay. So minus x. So minus, this is x value. Minus of minus into minus plus 31 by 45. This is answer of minus x. The question is minus of minus x is the same as x. So minus x. So once again minus of minus x. So minus of the minus x answer for this. So 31 divided by 45. This minus mention the out of the bracket minus of minus x equal to minus 31 by x is equal to minus 31 by 45 is equal to x. So hence verify. Hence verify the both the sum. Here I am giving the example. First question, minus 9 by 4. Then the second question, minus 11 by minus 30. Have you understood this verification? The question is verify that minus of minus x is the same as x for given question. Okay. First take and write the x, given x. So first multiply minus by given question, we get this value. Then once again making the multiplication of minus 1, we get the answer of x. Okay, that's all the question. Have you understood? Okay, next question 9. Rearrange suitably and add. Okay. This is your question. Minus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 7 plus 1 by 3 plus minus 13 by minus 6. The solution. First write the standard form. So denominator here positive, 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 here negative. So change the value. Minus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 7 plus 1 by 3 minus 13 by 6. So denominator is always positive in the standard form. So minus, transfer the numerator, we get plus into minus, minus. We understood this step. This minus, transfer the numerator. Here also having plus. So plus into minus, minus. Sign operation. Then compare the like term. So denominator, this is 7. Where will attend 7? The third term. So minus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7. Next compare the 5 by 6 minus 13 by 6. Plus 1 by 3. This is the isolator. Okay. So suitably and add, rearrange suitably. That means comparing the like terms wise. Okay. So this has the denominator 7 and minus 3 plus 4 plus this is for 6, 5 minus 13 plus 1 by 3. Next. But minus 3 plus 4, we have a different sign. The different sign making the subtraction greater number to smaller number. This is the greater one. So 4 minus 3, 1. The greater number sign is a plus. So plus 1 by 7. Have you understood the simplification? Next consider the second one. The 6 is the denominator. Before this plus 5, this is minus 13. The different sign mentions the subtraction. So making the subtraction from greater number to smaller number. The 13 is the greater than. So 13 minus 5 is a minus 8. Because the greater number sign is minus. So minus 8 divided by 6. Next. Plus 1 by 3. Next. Compare all the denominator. All are indifferent. So find out the LCM. LCM of 7, 6, 3 is 42. Because all are, these two numbers are prime number, this is only the composite number. So directly multiplying the prime number and the composite number 7, 6 are 42, we get the LCM. Okay, otherwise you making a LCM method 7. 7 ones are 7, 6. 2 3s are 6 and 3 ones are 3. This is 3 ones are 3. So multiplying all the factors. Okay, here consider the factors. 7 is equal to can be write 7 and 6 can be write 2 into 3 and 3 write in the form of 3. Okay. Next, the LCM of given 3 number. The 7 only one time appears, so 7 into 2 also one times appear 2, but 3 has appeared 2 times, so only I can write 1 time. So 7 4 2s are 14, 14 3s are 42. This is a method of finding LCM. LCM of 7, 6, 3 is 42. So converting all the fraction into the like fraction. So 42. 1 by 7 we multiplying 6 by 6, 6 sevens are 42, minus 8 by 6, 8 by 6 into 7 by 7, plus 6 sevens are 42, plus 1 by 3 into 14 3s are 42. We are using the equivalent fraction method. Okay, so 1 6 are 6, 7 6 are 42, minus 8 sevens are minus into plus minus 8 sevens are 56 divided by 6 sevens are 42 plus 1 14s are 14 divided by 3 14s are 42. Now we get all are in like terms. So 42 is the common and 6 minus 56 plus 14. Okay, this is equal to compare the like terms 6 plus 14 20. So minus 56 plus 20 divided by 42, which is equal to. Now we get the different sign. So operating in the same manner, subtracting greater number to smaller number. 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 2, 3, and greater value sign minus, because minus 56. 56 is the greatest to 20. So minus 36 divided by 42. Compare both the numerator and denominator. The two numbers are obtained in the sixth table. So using the sixth table, cancel numerator and denominator, we get the answer. This is for 6 6 are 36. This is 7 times of 6 42. So now we get the final answer minus 6 by 7. Have you understood the sum? The slides are sums are given. First we compare like terms and then find the LCM of the denominator, and we get the final answer. That's all the 9th sum. Okay, dear students, now we have discussed 10th sum. The sum is what should be added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5. The question is, which number added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5? This is our question. The solution, let x be a regular rational number. This is our assumption. Let x be a regular rational number. Okay. The question is, this number added to the regular rational number 2, we get 2 by 5. Okay. The given condition, 8 by 9 is added to one number, we get 2 by 5. Have you understood this step? This number added to the any rational number which is equal to 2 by 5. What is the value of x? This is your question. So you want to x, so making the transformation, this minus 8 by 9 transfer the right side, LHS to RHS, we get sign change. So minus 8 by 9 change into plus 8 by 9. Then x is equal to, compare both the denominator, these two are unlike fraction, so form the like fraction. 5 and 9, these two are prime and composite, so directly multiply the numbers. 5 4s are 5, 9s are 45, then 9 2s are 18 plus 5 8s are 40. Here I used cross multiplication method. You do it LCM method. LCM 45. So this is multiplying by 9. This is multiplying by 5. We get this like number. Okay. Here I used cross multiplication method. X is equal to 8 plus 0, 8. Then 1 plus 4, 5 divided by 45. This is your result. Okay. Therefore, the regular rational number is 58 by 45. Therefore, the regular rational number is 58 by 45. Have you understood? The question is, what should be added to minus 8 by 9 to get 2 by 5? This number added which number we get the answer 2 by 5. This is your question. This is the result. This is the regular rational number. This number adding with minus 8 by 9 we get 2 by 5. To do at your home, minus 8 by 9 plus 5, 58 by 45. The answer is 2 by 5. Verify that. Next 11th question. Subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. This is your question. The solution, minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. So this is the first, from value is the first. So minus 17 by 11, subtract the first number. Subtraction making the minus symbol. So minus the first number, minus 8 by 44. Have you understood this one? This number subtracted from this number. So this is the first one. The subtraction making the minus symbol, then the first one. Okay. This is equal to minus 17 by 11. This is minus into minus plus 8 by 44. Have you understood the step? Minus into minus plus 8 by 44. Okay. Next, consider both the denominator. Both are different. So find out the like fraction. This 11 multiplied by 4, we get 44. Okay. So minus 17 into 4 divided by 11 into 4. We are using the equivalent fraction method, plus 8 by 44. 17 4s are 68, minus 68 divided by 11 fours are 44 plus 8 by 44. So now we get the like terms. So minus 68 plus 8. Compare the numerator only. Minus 68 plus 8. Now a different sign. So making the subtraction. After the subtraction, we put the greater value sign. So subtraction 68 minus 8, 60, and the greater value sign minus divided by 44. These twos are appear in the fourth table. So using the fourth table, cancel the common factor. This is 15 fours are 60. This is 11 fours are 44. So minus 15 by 11 is your answer. So minus 17 by 11 minus 8 by 44 equal to minus 15 by 11. This is your answer. Have you understood?